All right, we're now at the drill press. We're gonna drill our through holes that we have previously laid out on the ends of our legs. So we have 4 legs, we have 4 holes to drill. We're gonna remember to use, we're gonna line up that middle spur with the awl mark. We can lower our leg to the bottom, lower our drill bit to the table. Then we can hold that in place with our spindle lock. Then we're going to use 2 quick clamps. We want one quite close to where we're drilling so that it holds the piece in the right spot. And then one more. We're going to release the quick clamp, double checking that we're still in the right spot, because this hole, it really is imperative that it's centered in our leg. So it looks good to me. I have set the depth of the drill with the depth stop here so that it just touches the top of the table. So it'll cut a little bit of the table, but not much, so that we have no tear out. And once that's all secured, again, this is a 3/8 inch drill bit to drill our through hole in our leg piece. And here we go. And there we go, a nice clean hole. You can continue to do that for your 3 other legs. Notice that this is really right in the center, so that's going to be perfect.